Is Pedro on Rusty or do you?
Ready to go now?
What's that?
Who owns Rusty? You?
The ranch does, yeah. Pedro has made it quietly known that if anybody wanted to kidnap that dog, he would not be shedding too many tears.
The dog's just gone. He's like, oh well.
What happened?
No, the funniest thing though is, I sit there and I go, I was in a foul mood. And I had 2 girls, and I just said, girls, you domesticated this dog and you ruined it. And so they denied it vehemently. They go, no. When we came back, it was Jeff Martin, the researcher from Berkeley. He was there and he was normal and he petted the dog. And Jeff goes, that is the biggest calumnious libelous that is so untrue. There were the other researchers on the acoustic thing. They came over and they gave him love. So everybody's pointing a finger, and I think it was a group wrecking job.
Was that the same thing that happened to Nellie? Was it the 2 of them together?
Yeah, I have to say that Nellie is maybe my favorite dog of all time.
Oh, I remember her from last year.
Yeah, Stuart Snyderman, who's a friend of ours, adopted Nellie. But Nellie had a liaison with an intact male dog. Fortunately, it was a guard dog as opposed to a sheepdog.
What
and
happened?
she had puppies
Oh,
as a consequence
your
of
wife
this
was saying.
relationship. Look at that. In any event,
Don't do it.
And she birthed 13 and she raised them to weaning weight.
Wow.
She was an amazing
Jennifer.
mom. She was like,
Oh boy. No, back. So a fun note about Sprout is that he likes to scratch his nose on another horse's rear. He does it every chance he gets. It's all fun and games until the other horse decides to kick back.
Somebody bugs on me.
Oh, we got a cone yellow. Hold your horses.
No. Don't dig in his butt.
what happened is Jimmy picked up, he grabbed an entire weed, and then he scraped it against your horse's backside.
Yeehaw! Are you going to? No. Jimmy's going to. You want to go too, boy? Now's your chance. No? Oh boy.
I don't think we ever installed this here with quite a slide.
Good afternoon, folks. We have gone off uncharted territory. Just right in the cliffside. No trails, as you can see. No trails. Off the side. Awesome. Woo! My buddy Sprout. Go over here, Sprout. Good boy. Yes, there's your Hidden, Shelby, Benny, and the other guys all having a good time. Folks, this is super exciting today. We are on a portion of the original Oregon Trail out here in Idaho and stuff like that the settlers used when they were moving from the East Coast out into like the Californias and Oregon and stuff like that, which is actually really cool. I'm about to ride up or saddle up or tackle up the horses right now. They're gonna be riding up, and we're gonna be riding up one of these bridges, and we'll ride into Cottontail, where we're going to be camping for the next couple of days and stuff like that. Super excited. It's a lot of fun. Can't wait to get the show on the road. I'll catch you guys later. It just turns out, or was brought to my attention, that I was saying it wrong the whole time. It is not Cottontail. It is actually Cottonwood Canyon and stuff like that. We're all getting ready. Going to church. Cow looking horse. Look at that. Like that. Scott's right there on the side. He's my boy today for this week. Super excited. Huh? No. Just alright. And we are off. We have just embarked on a horseback ride on the Oregon Trail, which is pretty cool. Very historical. Since you see, took this route to get around the mountains and stuff like that, but they couldn't get past the crazy lava lake and crater in the moon stuff. Beautiful scenery. Perfect. It's awesome. Come on, Scott. Yeah. Nice dusty little road. Take a picture of me, taking a picture of you, George. Whose horse is that? Whose horse is that? Shelby, I see something reflective in the field. It looks like it might be those glasses you're looking for. Little hours already. We are at a campsite. Okay, chair.
By the pool. Take another left.
Whew.
Oh.
Yeah. What a day.
There are a lot of apartment buildings that just literally collapsed into the street. Whereas the pylons were like this. Yeah, that one apartment building with all of it burned out. So we're about to retire. in San Francisco fireboats. And
So this is pretty cool. I couldn't take a video of it because the camera wouldn't zoom in far enough. So I took a couple of pictures instead. We spotted off in the distance a giant moose. Just to give you a scale of how big he was probably about 1,000 meters away, and my camera was zoomed in about 10 times. Thank you so much for tuning in to part 2 of the Lava Lakes Retreat with Mystic Saddle Ranch. I really enjoyed making these videos, and I hope that you're all enjoying them as well. Please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications on my next vid. Take care, and I will see you all again soon.